factor tree of 285. So 285, it can be written as 3 times 95. 3 times 95 means 285. So 95, it can be written as 5 times 19. 5 times 19 means it is 95. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 3, 5 and 19. So we can write 285 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times 5 times it is 19. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.